Happy days, my fantastic artistic numismatic friends. MasterTemple here, and today's the day we get rid of the MBE box with the coin tuber coin in, and we're bringing this one, and this is one that you could win. Okay, a few weeks back I asked you guys how many of the gold rimmed coin tuber coins are. Remember, these gold ones are for the people that make videos. Okay, and I can't make them for everybody, I'm afraid, but I try my best, I do my best. Okay, so I wanted to know how many of those, roughly, or spot on, depending, were out there, depending on your guess. Okay, and if you could name them. Okay, we had a few good goes at trying to name a good handful, but nobody got them all right, unfortunately. So how many were out there? Well, I'll tell you in a moment, but before we get on to drawing this and talking a little bit about other things, I just want to thank you all, because this is basically a thank you to all you guys that watch the videos, like and subscribe and comment and give me such a nice warm feeling, because it is a good warm feeling. And what I'm struggling at the moment is the direction of the channel, because I do a few different things on here. I do painting and I do coin collecting, and I may start venturing into a bit of self-defense, I don't know, but at the moment it's just coin collecting and painting, and trying to get artists to watch coin collecting videos is a little bit difficult, and vice versa, though I know a lot of you coin collectors do like the art. I know that. So it is a bit difficult. Do we split it into two channels? Do we just carry on? Do we? I don't know. Let me know your thoughts, folks, because you know, it's just one of them things. We've got to a crossroads in the channel, I think. But what do we do? What do we do? Because I just like making the videos and putting them up, and I like reading your comments. I might not get a chance to reply to them all straight away, but I do like reading them all, and it does fill me up full of joy. So that said, did you watch the Tilraid video last night? That was a belter, wasn't it? And let me know what you thought about that coin. Is it a rare one? Is it what we think it is, or is it something else? And if you haven't seen that, go back and watch it. And a little bit of a sneaky peek into next week's Tilraid video. It gets even better than yesterday. So hold on to your hats for that one here. Painting wise, on Friday tomorrow we've got a pretty nice painting, but it's a lengthy one, so it's a bit of a painting marathon. So you die-hard painting enthusiasts, you know, be prepared to put away about 50 minutes of your time for that. Watch it over the weekend. That's what I'd do, and that's why I put them up on a Friday. Then you can watch them on a Saturday and a bit on a Sunday as well. And that's fantastic. On other side of coin, we had a couple of shorts videos over the last few weeks, and they did pretty well. You know, really quite good for the channel, which I'm quite happy about. And if you haven't checked them out, go see them, because they're only about 20 seconds long. So that's the good thing about the channel, and not having no strict sets of rules to play by. I hear they go by, you know, like I'll put a video that's might be an hour long, and then one that's 20 seconds long up, and one about painting, and then one about coins. It's the treasures. So that's why I'm in a dilemma. The logo's been freshened up as well, as if you can see. I'll put the logo up now. We've got a little bit fresher, because we're going to get some stickers, and it's going to go on a little bit of something in time for Christmas, touch wood. Yeah, that's enough said. Anyway, stop this jibber jabber, Dan. Let's get on. How many coins out there was there? Right, 30. There was 30, folks. Right, and you're going to want to know them all. Okay, so big deep breath in, MasterTemple. Here we go, and let's crack on with it. So there's obviously me with this one, MasterTemple. There we go. Me. Coin Cupboard, Christopher Collects, Cali Coins, Bungle, Lady M, she's got one, Absolute Coins, TC got one, UK Coin Hunt, Purple Fairy Dust, Laughter, Coins and More UK, Trev at Coins to Collect, Grossy Coin Hunts, Katie Jones Coins, Jamesy Behoy, he got one. Family Bloke got one. Family Guy. Coin Patrol. Lighty Collects. Bo Selector Coins, he got one. Unbelievable Coins. Angel from Coin Collector's Journey. Makamula, I hope you're taking count, folks. Makamula, he got one. RJ Coins. Pocket Poet, she got one. She did well and got one. To coin a phrase, Northern Coins, Northeast Coins, Norfolk Coin on Elite, Steve at Books Coins. I think that is it. I think. If I've missed somebody off there, I do apologise, but I get 30. I think there's 30 out there. There is more than that, actually, to tell you the truth. There is a couple more out there that haven't been shown on video yet. Okay, but we'll stick with it. We'll stick with 30. Okay, and I have made some more ready to go into production anytime soon. So watch this space across the Cointuberverse, my fantastic friends. Now, 30 is the magic number. Right, so we've got the URL up there. We've got 30 in there. Get comments, and we've got 2. I don't know if you can see that. Got 2, right? So let's start. Okay, good luck. 50-50. Here we go. Nick Thomas. Okay, well done, Nick. Nick Thomas, I've only been subscribed to your channel for about 17 months. Well, that's fantastic, Nick, because the channel's been only going about 17 months, right? So that's happy days. Yeah, but I've also subbed to around about 30 others, and I think you've given them all a MasterTemple Medal of Honor. Happy days. So I would guess there will be 35 plus. Stay safe and oh, there's a bit of a grey area here, Nick. Okay, so yep, 30 was in was the magic word that you had to say. We put 35 down. The other person who put 30 down was to coin a phrase, and I don't think that he'd be too bothered because he'd just got a gold coin anyway. So I don't think he'd be too bothered about disputing this. So Nick, I'm making an executive decision that gets this, buddy. So contact me, Nick, and we'll see what we can do and put it on, and obviously verify you and know the do for your do's and do for your don'ts. Okay, but to make it fair for everyone else, I'll pick another winner. So let's get rid of this filter duplicate comments, get YouTube comments, and what I'll do, if I pick a coin tuber out, we'll carry on. Okay, we'll carry on. So let's say if I pick Bungle out, we'll carry on, or Christopher Collects, we'll carry on. Right, and then that person, I'll send them something good. Right, so here we go. Let's get comments. So here we go, 91 comments. Good luck, everybody. Let's go. Here we go, RJ Coins. Cointuber, I'm afraid, RJ. Thanks for entering, but Cointuber, so yeah, and he didn't put a number down anyway. So let's pick another winner. Pick another winner. Where we're going? It's going to take an hour to do this. Right, so let's carry on. Darren Cheshire, here we go. Right, 14 sounds like a good number. Stay safe, buddy. Okay, right, so I'll get Darren a little bit of something else made and sent off over to you, Darren. But Nick, that's won the big one. Alright, so well done, winners. Stick around, because we'll have more of these fun and games at some point. And if you could congratulate the winners in the comments, that would be fantastic. Let me know your views on everything else. I know we've waffled on a little bit, but we like that sometimes, aren't we? So stay safe. Congratulations, folks. Take care of the Zen, and have the Zen and happy day. Yes.